Struggles with banding? Dried out clogging printheads? Prints not curing properly? Adhesive powder sticking where it shouldn't? Our tech support has countless hours troubleshooting with our customers. And oftentimes, their issues are caused by one thing: climate control. We've been doing DTF since 2020, and this is often the most ignored part of your DTF process, and it's likely causing you a ton of headaches. For any DTF system to function at its best, it needs to be an environment that is between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 to 60% humidity. Too dry and you'll get banding and clogs. Too cold or damp and you'll have issues with curing your transfers. First, let's address temperature. If your printer's in a room where the built-in HVAC supplies multiple rooms, make sure your thermostat, what senses the temperature, is in the room where your printer is. If you're in a garage type situation and you're using a wall or window unit or maybe a portable AC, make sure it's sized for an area slightly larger than your space, maybe 20%. If it's not adequate, you will need to upgrade it. We have links to some we recommend in the description below. Next, let's address humidity. In Arizona, where we're located, we just need a humidifier, but we are aware that in some other areas you might also need a dehumidifier. There aren't too many different kinds of dehumidifiers, but there are a bunch of humidifiers, and some of them are not good for DTF. We suggest staying away from mister type humidifiers or anything where it produces visible water droplets. Our recommendation is to get one of the evap cooler style units. This runs water over a filter, then a fan pulls air through that filter to add moisture to the air. Again, make sure whatever you get is sized properly for your space. Having your printer properly climate controlled will help it perform its best, give you less headaches, and help you make the best DTF transfers around. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and click subscribe so you don't miss out on the best DTF content on the internet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.